everyone. In today's world, we are developing a lot of softwares using different platforms. So now we generally use platforms like VS Code and all for coding and developing a software. Now recently we have come to know that Google has developed an IDE which is again similar to VS Code, where and it is based on cloud and AI. So we will see how that platform or that Google IDE is helping to develop a software with the features explained and with the models explained. Let's go ahead with that. Okay.
Good evening everyone, I am Ashwin. Today we are going to discuss about Google's latest product, Antigravity IDE. It is not just another VS Code fork, it's completely based on AI, and the main motto is users could develop that products, full stack products easily using their AIs. And Google entered the curse that they do not have that integrated development environment, and before that they have Firebase Studio, which has limited abilities, not like the Antigravities, but they have worked upon and upgraded their Firebase Studio into Google's Antigravity. That's a brand new IDE which is powered by Google AIs, and it not just supports AI models, and various AI models they can also support. And this helps not just developers, and normal users can also develop their products with a minimal prompt. After the prompt, it will plan according to what are the things that this app should have, and like that it will plan, and it will execute step by step, and it has a similar workflow like agents, and it has multiple agents which will help to build our software completely. And the next features will be explained by Deva.
Okay, thank you, Ashwin. I am Deva from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I am going to be explaining about the features of Google Antigravity IDE. So basically, it integrates AI with our normal text editor. So of course, it has a text editor section. So it includes popular LSPs like Python, Rust, Java, C++, and all that. And it also includes file tree. So file tree is used to manage all the files in the project. Since we are using AI to develop the project, it will be very tedious to maintain all the files in that. So Antigravity makes it easier for maintaining all the files, and it ensures that it shows us what files has changed after each iteration of development.
So that files will be stored inside that editor.
Yes, ma'am. So it will help us to manage all those files. Since AI is developing all those files, we can visually see those files clearly, so that we don't get confused.
We need not take it from somewhere else. It will be already there.
Yeah, the AI can create all directories and files if we need it. So from the first iteration, we can develop a full app completely through Google's Antigravity. Next is agentic model. So that is the primary feature of this Google Antigravity text editor. So what it does is it has many different models which will be explained by Jarshin. But a basic gist is all the models will be on the bottom. We can choose any model we want, and then with those models we can draft the workflow, create some files, and also commit or push into GitHub. So the main motto of the Google Antigravity is using AI to leverage, using the IDE to leverage AI to build a better product for everyone. The models and competitors will be explained by Jarshin.
Okay, now I will be talking about the models that supports Antigravity. In the Antigravity supports multiple models like Gemini 3, ChatGPT 5, and GitHub's Copilot, and Claude Sonnet. Like so, with Antigravity can able to access the intelligence of these multiple models, and it can also so that it can change its codes and
these models will be incorporated in
this model it can access its intelligence. So every model has different intelligence, right?
Okay.
Where they will have different perspectives on their codes. So we can choose what model it has to access and what kind of codes it can write. Okay. And some of the major competitors of this Antigravity is Cursor, Lovable, and GitHub's Copilot. They are also doing similar methods, but major advantage of using Antigravity is it is totally free. It doesn't have any limits or something like that. We can use it totally free.
Okay, like for Gemini and this Grok and all, we cannot use for a long time. Sometimes it may ask for paid version. So this is free. We can use. Anybody can use.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is totally all.
Okay.
It doesn't have any credit points, so we can use unlimited.
So anybody can use it. Anybody can develop a software from anywhere.
Yeah.
For any kind of
As
application.
it is a new product, they have that free version, and if they expand it to multiple models, they can come up with a premium subscription type of models. As of now, it is completely free and have high context to develop products.
Nice, no?